Hello guys, in this video we are comparing Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge versus Samsung Galaxy S25. So let's start the video and see the details about the smartphones. Software, operating system, user interface, body, weight, height, width, thickness, build quality, back material, RAM, waterproof, display brightens, display resolution, display type, display size, display protection, platform, RAM, ROM, CPU, GPU, chipset, network, battery capacity, charging speed, camera, selfie camera, video, Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus main camera, Poco X7 Pro main camera, video, sound, loudspeaker, .5mm jack, sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, USB, fingerprint, smartphones price. price. Final result. Thank you so much for watching this video.